The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by Santa Fe, your reliable partner in trading.
Alibaba stock fell 3.8% last Friday, closing at $153.80, driven by investor caution following earnings downgrades and heightened volatility in China's tech sector. The Shanghai index dropped to around 3,960 on Monday, extending losses from the prior session as slowing economic activity and ongoing property sector challenges weighed on investor sentiment. WTI crude oil futures fell to $59 per barrel on Monday, pairing gains from the previous session after Russia's Novorossiysk port resumed operations following a two-day shutdown caused by a Ukrainian drone strike. The British pound weakened to around $1.31, near a 7-month low, following reports that the government abandoned plans to raise income tax rates ahead of the November budget. Bitcoin traded at around $95,000 this Monday, increasing by 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost 11.5%. Now, let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 1:30 p.m., Canada will publish its annual inflation rate for October, following a 2.4% reading in September. Also at 1:30 p.m., the United States is set to release November's New York Manufacturing Index, after posting 10.7 in October. Looking ahead to tomorrow's highlights. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will unveil the Housing Market Index for November, following a previous reading of 37. And at 11:50 p.m., Japan is expected to report an improvement in its trade balance, after recording a deficit of 234 billion yen in September.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Santa Fe. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.